Find the equivalent resistance in each of these cases. Part A, 12 ohm, 25 ohm, and 42 ohm resistor are connected in a series. So since we are dealing with series circuit, it means that the equivalent resistance equals to the summation of all resistors. In this case, we have 3 resistors, so it's going to be 12 plus 25 plus 42. That's going to be 79 ohm. Part B, it says 2 30 ohm light bulbs and 2 20 ohm heating elements are connected in series. So we have 2 times, so our total is going to be 2 times 30 because we have 2 bulbs, and 2 times 20 because we have 2 heating elements. So it's going to be 60 plus 40. That's going to be 100 ohm. C, 2 strings of Christmas tree lights are connected in series. The first string has 8 4 ohm bulbs in series, and the second has 12 3 ohm bulbs in series. So in total it's going to be 8 times 4 plus 12 times 3. So it's going to be 32 plus 36. That's going to be 68 ohm in total. So these are going to be the equivalent resistance in series circuit.